Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter pasta. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of pasta, like spaghetti or linguine, and 4 tablespoons of good quality unsalted butter, cut into smaller pieces. Don't forget about 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, which adds a wonderful depth of flavor. Finally, have some salt and freshly ground black pepper on hand to season your delicious creation. Now let's cook our pasta to perfection. Fill a large pot with about 4 quarts of water and bring it to a vigorous boil, adding a generous pinch of salt. Once boiling, add your pasta and cook it until it's al dente, which means it's tender but still has a slight bite. Before draining, remember to scoop out about 1 cup of that starchy pasta water. It's crucial for our sauce. Then, drain the pasta well, but resist the urge to rinse it. With the pasta cooked, it's time to create our silky butter sauce. Return the empty pasta pot to the stovetop over low heat and add your 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Let it melt gently. Once melted, slowly whisk in about 1/2 cup of the reserved starchy pasta water. This combination will emulsify, creating a beautiful, creamy sauce. Season it lightly with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Finally, let's bring it all together. Add your drained pasta directly into the pot with the warm butter sauce. Toss everything vigorously for about 1 minute, ensuring every strand is beautifully coated. Now, stir in your 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese until it melts into the sauce, making it even richer and creamier. Serve your delicious butter pasta immediately, perhaps with a little extra cheese and a dash of black pepper.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.